Orion, the giant hunter who became a star. Orion hunted beside Artemis, goddess of the wild. She was fond of him, maybe even loved him. But one day, Orion boasted that he could kill every animal on Earth, and no one could stop him. Artemis, disgusted with his boast, left him in silence and never looked back. However, she wasn't the only one to hear Orion's boast. Gaia, the Earth herself, rose in rage. She sent a giant scorpion to challenge Orion. Orion smiled at the prospect of the greatest hunt of his life. He fired arrow after arrow, but they bounced off the monster's armored hide. He attacked with every weapon, but to no avail. That's when he knew no weapon would save him. So he laid down his bow and met the beast head-on. With one mighty blow, the scorpion pierced Orion right in the heart. Artemis found his body lifeless in the dust, and she wept. Although she condemned his hubris, Orion was still her friend. In her grief, she begged her father Zeus to honor the courage of her fallen comrade. Zeus immortalized both Orion and the scorpion in the night sky forever. Now, when you look to the sky to this day, there Orion still stands, eternal, with Scorpio forever chasing him across the stars. Drop your thoughts below and subscribe, like, and hit the bell for the Greek Geek.